Hi friends, this is Gail O'Neill, and I teach stamping. I hope you enjoy.
Birds and branches tonight. This is such a fun set, but I did lose the little flower die before I could cut out the ones that I need for the cards. So, yeah, I've checked the floor, I checked the garbage, I've checked everywhere. Okay, so let's get going. So, for my first trick, I hope everything else is here because I've spent so much time looking for that die. So the new catalog is just amazing. And I have to say, if you want one, let me know because what'd you say? If it helps any, something came up when I tuned in about. Yeah, I see that they're going, so I don't know why, but I guess it's good. Um I don't know. I don't know. Like things just change crazy on these Facebook lives. Um, so anyway, the catalog is amazing, and if you don't have a demonstrator and you want one, just message me. I'll put you on the list because I have a few boxes coming. So I'm going to start out with the branch, the branch, the branch, the branch. Okay, so this is in soft suede. Oops. And I'm going to stamp it about midway. Yeah, that'll work right there, I hope. All right, and then we're going to do the little nest. Ooh. So I did that in crumb cake. I didn't have my Stamparatus out, and I checked like everything that's magnetic. It'll either turn up or it won't. I don't know. All right, so I stamped it in the crumb cake, and then I took the soft suede marker, and you can either just dot it. I kind of followed some of the lines from, where the branches would be in the nest. Hopefully I did enough. Hopefully. And you can always go back with the marker and add in some more after you stamp it. So I'm just going to stamp that right there. Could have been a little bit up. I mean, down. It's okay. We could do this too. Oh, I could take that. There's like another one. That's all right. We're just going to do this. Look at that. That bird can really build, can't she? Okay, so now we're going to take the bird and we're going to stamp her in blue. So we'll put her right about there. Then you take the other stamp. That's the wrong one. This is the one. And I just need to clean it because I had green on there. So of course you do it with your finger when you didn't prepare well. And I'm going to take, do I want the green or do I want to keep it in blue? I think this time, yeah, I'm going to do it in the green because, so I could have just left it. Because it changes the color of that slightly. And then it becomes a little bit teal. So you just stamp that right on top. Like that. A little bit lower would have been better. Okay. So then the other funky thing that I did, but now I really do have to clean it. Let's see. Is I took some yellow. So I'm going to use Daffodil Delight. And I stamped that bird, but I just did the belly like that. So now it looks like we have a little bit of sunshine. And then we have the leaves. And I'm missing my green. I know I didn't put it away. Oh yeah, it's right here. Right in front of me. All right, so we're going to take and stamp up like a bunch of them. Like that. And then, that's the wrong one, and I put it away because I forgot I was going to use it. My alcohol, oh, here it is. All right, so I'm going to take the blue. I'm going to put some ink in the pad. All right, so this has alcohol in it. Because this is like so easy when you want to do a quick background without smudging and smearing everything. Because the alcohol is not going to smear your regular ink. So now I can put in that sky. Can even, which I didn't do on the other one, I think I did it with a marker. All right, I don't want to scare myself, but I'm going to try it. All right, so I'm going to take a little bit of the yellow, and we're going to make some sun rays. Just a little bit. Okay, and then from, which set did this come from? Why not be knowing? Let's see. It came from Tasteful Touches. So we're going to take and stamp, the good things in life are better with you. And I think I used this on 2 of the cards. And we'll just use, no, I want to use the other one because it's brighter. Just get my mouse away. So I'm just going to stamp this right there. And then we're going to put the card together. And this was just, I consider it like a fast card. A fast 1-layer card. All right, I got to look at questions or comments a little bit. Yeah, I hear you with justifying, but yeah. Oh, look what I just did. I put it there and there. Well, when that is like finished, it kind of looks like this one. Ta-da! You have to let that dry before you stick your fat fingers on them. So now I'll be cutting part of that out and reusing it. But this is what it looks like when it's done. Okay, let's go on to the next card now that I messed up that one. And I'm going to take a drink first. Okay, you can all laugh now. Oh my God. I should have brought it in here. The funniest thing happened. So when the toilet paper shortage started, oh my God. So I was trying to order toilet paper on Amazon. So like a week went by, I only had like 6 rolls left. I couldn't get it anywhere. So I see I can get 10 rolls for like, I don't know, it was like $14 or something, $13. So I went, oh, that's great. So I clicked it to get it. Well, it came yesterday, the day before. They are little teeny rolls. Like it can fit in my hand. Like, you might get like 2 wipes out of it. I was hysterical laughing. So now I'm going to use them like as presents for everybody because they're just too funny. Hi, Joyce. All right, let me put my phone up so I can see some comments. Oh, Gaily. All right. So we need this. I need to look at the card because I forgot what I did. Okay, I know what I did. All right, so backgrounds. So let me show you one background I did. So this is just a background that I did with the leaves that you put onto the trees. Now we're going to do a background, and we're going to use, let me just get some of that off, because we're going to use crumb cake so that it's a bit lighter. So we're just going to randomly stamp some of these. Let's see. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I am doing. But we want to kind of fill the background. So I'll do another one that way. Another one this way. There. And then there's a little branch that comes in the set. So you can use that one as well. And all right, if I need more, we'll do more. So now where did I put the leaves? So there's the leaves. And we're going to take the hair off of the ink pad, soft sea foam, and we're going to, they fit much better before. Once you get it, then you got it. Okay, so it's like that. And I hope everybody had a good Mother's Day today. And then it doesn't matter if, they're going on top of each other, because that's what trees do. And put one there. And then I think we will, why'd I close it? I think I'm going to put one like there. Oh, it doesn't matter, Gail. Just stamp it. And then I'll just put a few like that. Just to even that up. So there's another background. A pocket-sized hand sanitizer for Christmas. Our joke was how valuable her gift turned out to be. Really, right? Well, maybe those mini, itty bitty toilet papers will come in handy. I just laugh. I'm like, what is in this package? Like, what did I order? Because, I mean, if I knew it was the toilet paper, I would have thought they would be like regular size rolls. Oh my God. It's just too funny. All right, so we're going to do that nest again, the same way we did it before. Into oh, I got to do the, or maybe I'll do it after. Let's see how that's how I did it the very first time. I need to show you. All right, I'll run out and get it. It's so funny. Okay, so the first time I just went through and kind of made lines. So either way you want to do it, I just thought it needed some definition. And it's got the, you know, all those things there right for you. Huh? I can't speak. Just put me in the home. Oh, no, don't put me in the home. Not yet, anyway. Okay. All right, so we've got that. Now, I pre-did these. I also had the little eggs, but now they seem to be gone. Oh, Gail, there's one. They fell out of the nest. Oh my God. They have fallen out of the nest. This is ridiculous. I had it all organized. I'm fired. Okay. All right, we got one egg. The rest of them fell out of the nest. And I have her feet. All right, so we're going to put her little feet on. What's the loser song? I see all those like laughter going. It's okay. I know you're laughing. Oh, and that's going to be backwards on the feet. You have to put them on the front. On the front. And then I've had such a good day that I'm still in my nightgown. I know you didn't need to know that, but yeah. I usually get dressed in case the, you know, camera falls or something. Oh, we're going to put that up. I can't believe, like, all the eggs fell out of... I found another one. Ooh. We're going to have no flowers and a shortage of eggs. Okay. So let's just pop that up. I'll be showing you my finished cards, and then you'll know what it's supposed to look like after it's done. And here I am picking them off. You got in your jammies early this evening. Yeah, well, I never got out of mine. Evidently, well, I wouldn't consider it naked. Not really naked. Hopefully I'll find the other egg eventually, but you just put a little bit of glue on them. Just a little bit. And then put them in the nest. So she's only got 2. All right, so this is going to get mounted onto there. I guess birds don't always, you know, lay 3. They could have 1. Okay, and then this is going to get put up. They're twins. Fraternal twins. It's 2 eggs. Oh, I can't take it. Where's my pick? even my pick is not working. It's got like, I must have dug something with it. It's got like a little, I don't know, a little boo-boo on it. So now it doesn't want to behave all the time. Okay, so this is going to go here. Like that. And then this is 1/2 inch, and I took Enjoy Today. And you know what? I'm not doing it in that black. I'm not smudging another one. Oh, that's too light though. All right, so we'll use just regular black, and I'll be unhappy that it's so. Did you drop it on tile? What, the dye? Oh, I got to pull this down. No, I have carpet here, so I didn't hear it. But I ran my hands, I ran a magnet, I looked in the garbage. I even looked like I had each one taped down. So, I don't know. Scissor. All right, so we're just going to do one of those. We're going to put a couple dimensionals on that. This is the blueberry. It's retiring, and I love this blueberry. And the bird, yeah, the bird I did the blueberry bushel, and then I stamped the inside with the balmy. So it like lightened it a little bit. So that's going to go there. We're going to mount it onto blueberry bushel. Oh, the pick, you mean? No. I probably try to dig something out of something. I don't know. You know how people like are very good about this scissors for that and this scissors for that? Well, yeah, I'm not one of those. I'm like, oh, I'll use this. That'll do it. Okay. How are we time-wise? Not too bad. Okay. So there is that one. All right. So that was card number 2. Card number 1. And throw that one. The other egg hasn't turned up yet. Okay, so now I had some fun with the Tasteful Textile folder. Now, I think I have all these pieces. So one of the dies is a edgelet. Well, it's an edge die. We don't call them lits anymore. Wait, I just have to take another drink. Such dry mouth. So this I cut one size smaller. So it was 4 3/4 by 3.5. Whew, I could do math. So I cut it first and then put it through with the folder. So it's got like all this pretty texture. The first card, I didn't put this second one through, but I went, oh yeah, I have to. It just, I love it. So now I have another favorite folder. All right, so we're going to glue that to that and get it ready. So this is the side. Okay, so that's going to go there. Then I used the new blue, but I don't know the name of it. The new blue. The new blue. I guess I could look in the catalog without showing you guys. Wish I had the... Is that a new... Yes, it's a new folder coming out. Yes, it is. It's going to be available on the 3rd. Okay, so that is all ready. Then I cut out 2 of these branches. So they're going to go here, like that. So let's put them down. That's going to be under the thing, so that won't matter. Okay, so we're going to put that one there. Boy, were you off of what? I missed a lot. Okay, so that's going to go right there. Okay, so now we have these birds I cut out. One in the new blue, cinnamon cider, just jade. This is just jade? Nah. Magenta. Oh no. All right, this is going to go there, so I want to make sure I'm in the right spot. So we'll do this first. Misty Moonlight. There you go. Bing, 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 bing. A winner. We have a winner. Somebody might have said it before and I missed it. Okay, so somewhere I have a happy anniversary stamp that I stole from another set. Yeah, and all the sets are, I don't know where. Like, forgive me, Father. Or I am an idiot sometimes. Okay, so we're going to stamp happy anniversary. Stampin' Up colors. Yeah, they have funny names. I can't remember them. Susie! Susie is here. All right, so we're going to stamp happy anniversary. And I'm not touching that yet. Well, I can turn it upside down. Because we're going to put some dimensionals on that. Misty Moonlight, Misty Moonlight. Ask me again tomorrow, I'll forget. Misty Moonlight. Okay, so we are definitely going to put this on Foist. So we're going to put that there. Then we're going to put these guys on in the tree. So these I did not pop because it would be a little hard. Little on their tootsies. So we got one there. Pop out of there. So at first I was like trying to color them and I was like, nah. If we had chalk still, oh, I still do. I would have maybe chalked them, but alcohol ink blends in, and I don't know. I didn't feel like watercoloring, but I mean, if you wanted to, you could put some more color on them. And then I just took these old black ones that I'm still using up from whenever, and I did their eyes in that. Of course, we do have nice new colors, but I wanted to use these. And then I cut out some hearts, because there is a little heart die. No longer a flower die, at least in my set. But you know how that is. So, I don't know. We're going to change where they were because I didn't leave room. That's the fun of stamping, that you can change things around to suit yourself. So, oops, it's a bleeding heart. Okay, and then this goes onto the card base. Oh, 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 I touched it. I touched it. So we're going to try before it's totally done for. That one up there isn't too bad because it's on the blue. Okay, so that's card number 3. This was the original one. How'd that heart? Now I'll mess up this one. What'd I do? Never glue it? Weird. Okay. All right, so let's see, how are we on time? 8:35. I think I can do this. All right, so this one. So what I did with this die is first I put it through this. Oh, now it's showing on mine. It might be you. Go out and come back. Oh, you did. Refresh. Huh. Ooh. You found it 4 months later? Yeah, I've had that happen, but I'm still missing a stamp that's probably back in New York. Okay, so I cut it out, just, tried to center it. Then I did the largest die in the circles. So I cut that out in green and then took that die, which maybe it'll be easier if I take it out. Yeah, so this says 16. Yeah, there's only 15. They lied. All right, so then once you have that, you just cut this out. So, you have to tape it down because it only gives you a very little bit. So you're going to match it up. So we're going to glue that down. Why am I so dry like this? Woo. Do, 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 do. All right, hopefully that's enough. We're going to have some awesome sticker sheets coming out in the new catalog. That's going to be fun for things like this. Although you don't get much wiggle room when you use a sticker sheet. I don't know why I can't match things. I can't find things. Tonight. Okay. Okay, so I'm happy with that. I'll show you the first one after I finish. So now this white piece, this is 5 by 3 3/4, and all I did was just cut this one down a little bit. And you take a pencil, if you can find one. It was here a little while ago. Well, anyway, I have a little piece of dirt I can put there. I'm just gonna like do that and I'll know it's there. All right, so you're gonna make a mark in the middle. Then you're gonna find your tree. Oh, things are falling. You know how I get at the end of my thing here. Oh, I found the pencil. Now I don't need it. Now I need the stamp. Oh, it's right in front of me. Gotta love it, gotta love it. I swear, I didn't even have a drink. Okay, so we're gonna take and stamp it. Where's my card so I can look at it? Oh, I did it more at an angle. Okay. So there's the branch. See, and now I want the flowers. I guess I could hand cut them, but I'll put them on some other day, I guess. All right, so once you get that part done, you just put some, because this is the smaller one, so we'll put it on that. So then you don't have as much leakage. Nobody likes leakage. And we're going to put that on so we know nothing's showing. And it should have been a little bit down, but that's all right. We'll adjust. You know what else I lost? I lost the bird. Nope, there it is. Okay, so the bird is going to go there. So all I did was put one dimensional on it. Maybe I can put two. Oh, and we'll give him an I, her, him, something. Yeah, so what I did was I had flowers there, but we're going to go ahead and I'll find flowers from something else and eventually put them there. Because I didn't want too much dry leakage. Yeah, I got troubles. Okay, and then we are going to mount it onto our card. And we're going to take that same stamp that I used from the other set. There's two there. And we're going to stamp that, hopefully straight. hopefully. And we're going to glue that down. So when you add the flowers, this is what it looks like. Whoops, wrong side. So it's pretty. Yeah, I'm going to end up losing that one. Oh. Wow. Oh. Okay, so there was that one. There was, we'll put the one with 3 eggs. Let's get rid of this too. Oh yeah, that's better. And then, which was the better one? Either one. They both came out good. Okay. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Shut the door. One more drink, and then I'll do my little bit of talking. Now if this had vodka in it, then we'd have an excuse for my behavior tonight. But all right, so these were the cards tonight. You are going to love this set. There's really, I mean, so much to do with it. Backgrounds. I'm going to be coming up with some more cards. Maybe casing some when I run out of ideas. And I'll be back again on Wednesday with, you know, my motto. I don't know what, but it'll be something, and probably something new. And don't forget, if you need a catalog, send me your name and address, and I'll get one out to you as soon as I get mine. So see you Wednesday, everybody. Thanks for joining me. Happy Mother's Day to all. Good night. Oh, the TP? I'll be right back. You guys, look at this. Look at this. Wait. Okay, so if you see the size of a card, there's the piece, there's the, I mean, look at this. It's itty bitty baby size. Right? Man, fingers aren't working. Yep. So there was my my own Mother's Day present. Element 3-ply sheets. All right, so good night again, everybody. Travel size. I can put it in the glove compartment. Oh, that's a good thing. I'll see you all Wednesday. Good night.